Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add money to Fiat wallet on crypto.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on crypto.com, you can use the link down there in the video description below, and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the home page, just click deposit, and after that just click Fiat, and after you click fiat, as you can see, you need to set up your new currency. And I think apparently in crypto.com the only currency that is available is the euro, so you can only set up a euro fiat currency on crypto.com. And if you're not from Europe, or if you don't have a euro bank transfer, I think you can't do it. So right, as you can see, in my case, in my jurisdiction, I can't use the euro fiat currency. So if you guys have a euro fiat currency in your country, I think you can use this, and you can just set up for a currency, and after that you can just use the information from that euro fiat currency, and just transfer money to them, and that money will automatically be deposit to your fiat wallet address right here that you set up. And that's it. That's how you can add money from your fiat wallet address from crypto.com. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.